Hi everybody, this is CR number 27, helper video number 1. It says to solve this for x, so we are going to go ahead and first start by circling what is on the outside of the parentheses, and we're going to use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses, which means to multiply 4 times each term inside the parentheses. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, and that equals 20. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and divide the two sides of my equation, because now I know anything I do to one side I have to do to the other. I'm going to go ahead and add 4 to both sides because I want to zero out the constant on this side. I want my variables over here, my constants over here. And so to remove this constant, I do the opposite to zero it out. And the opposite of a negative 4 is a positive 4. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. These zero out, which is exactly what I want. I get 8x equals, and 20 plus 4 is 24. I now want to get x by itself. 8 is attached to x by multiplication. Now the reason why I'm going to divide both sides by 8 is because the opposite of multiplication is division. And by dividing by 8, these 8's will cancel out because 8 divided by 8 is 1. And I'm left with 1x, which is what I want, 1x. And 24 divided by 8 is 3. So my answer for this one is x equals 3. Now, oh, good luck.